Hello and welcome to another Get Rail video where today we are here at the Big Blue Hotel just in Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Yes, we are. Yes, it's the opening day of Aviktas, the brand new ride here, which was announced last March, so we've been waiting a whole year. It is an absolutely massive Intamin gyroswing, which is so exciting because in the country we only have Maelstrom, which is about 70 feet, Cyclonator Importance, which is about 80, and this is nearly 140, so it's basically double anything we've got anywhere else, so it is a monster. So we've made it to the park entrance. It's just gone 10. Park opens at 11 and there's not that many people here, which is interesting. I'm very excited. We have the most amazing view from our room. We can see all the roller coasters testing this morning. It was very fun to watch them. And now we've made it here, park entrance, ready for open. Got me tickets. I'm ever so excited. Let's see what this opening is gonna be like. Ooh, what a big day. Just gonna have a quick look in the shop while we've got a few minutes. What have we got here?
An egg. It's snake in it. It's snake in it.
Oh. Well, because why not? Why wouldn't it be? So it's 10:30 and we're just at the park entrance and we've got this group of people. Honestly, I expected there to be swarms of people up the street, so I'm thrilled. Right, there we go. It's 11:15 and they've just let us through the entrance. It's much quieter than I was expecting, so hopefully this is going to be a quick first ride of the day. Exciting.
That's what we're going on another ride then.
Okay, a little bit of a spanner in the works there. We've just got to Aviktas and they've said that it doesn't open until 2. Which I would have loved to have known ahead of time, but that's absolutely fine. We're just going to go around and ride Icon while we're here and then see what else we've got. It looks like quite a quiet day actually, so I'm not freaking out like I thought I was going to. But yeah, why would they open until 2? I don't know. So we've just had a little zip round, a couple goes on Icon and Big One, and it's just coming up to 1 o'clock now. So we're gonna swing over to Aviktas and see what the queue is saying. It looks like they've had some kind of media event this morning because the ride's been going full of people, but we weren't allowed, were we? No. So we're gonna go and zip round now and see what she's saying. It was good being on the Big One because when you're going past you can just see straight over it and see like the queue and everything, so ooh, it's very exciting. So it is 1:30 currently and we've been told that the best place to be is to stand up here on the ramp and wait until they walk us down at 2 o'clock. There's a little bit of a crowd forming, but honestly, it's quite alright. So very excited now.
I should be on second cycle.
Fingers crossed.
Hey, Sal, how was it?
It was at this point that the ride broke down. It's from that one place. It's just gone 5 o'clock and she's gone none done. So more waiting. Not a good start. It was just a quick 10 minutes and now we're back open.
You are ordered to place your head against the headrest and hold on tightly.
Here we go. My goodness, we've just come off our first ride on Aviktas there, and what can I say? Wow, that was absolutely phenomenal. Didn't disappoint in the slightest. Absolute monster of a beast. Look, there she's going again. Oh, it was just absolutely fantastic. I've seen like POV videos before, but the whole the scale of it just doesn't compute until you're right up there. It just goes higher and higher and faster and faster. It felt like we were going a million miles an hour. Every seat is a front row seat. It was just brilliant. I loved it. The restraints were really comfortable. I liked the music. Everything about this ride is an absolute queen, icon, dream, diva. Look at her go. She's an absolute beast. It makes me say, what an absolute dream. I've been waiting for this since last match and it didn't disappoint in any way. It was so good. I absolutely loved it. Worth the wait easily. Oh, I'm so thrilled. It was just brilliant. Love it. So now we've come out of the park there after our ride on Aviktas. I just wanted to reflect on the event as a whole because there were some negative points, I have to say. The running of the opening of the ride could have been a bit better. I definitely think it was a bit of a free-for-all when it came to the opening. And then when it did open, it broke down. Not to be helped, but still. So yeah, we ended up waiting about 45 minutes for our first ride, which isn't too bad. But it was more just the atmosphere, like everyone was running in and cramming, which is a shame, but what can you do? When we were at Paulton's for the opening of Valgard last week, I felt they run the opening event a little bit better, but hey, that's life. But overall, it was absolutely fantastic. Didn't disappoint in the slightest. I'm over the moon. Ooh, it was lovely. Join us tomorrow where we're going to be testing if the speedy pass is worth it, because we're going to try and zip round and do as much as we can, and hopefully we can use our speedy pass on Aviktas a few times. And we're hoping so, we're not sure. But yeah, that brings us to the end, so thank you so much for watching, and until next time, get real.